Hello, good evening, everyone. Today, in last lecture, we will in last video we will see in our introduction. So now we will see how to install VMware machine in laptop or PC and how to set all the things. That means server machine, client machine, VMware workstation. So therefore, we will see that about all things. So we will go now. Firstly, Google Chrome. There are workstation. आता suppose we want to download VMware workstation 11. So therefore VMware workstation 11 download. Here we will see download my VMware workstation and many more websites there are present. So we will download any website from this download VMware workstation. And next, this VMware workstation will appear whenever you download all the VMware workstation. They appear in our desktop and like this. And next things is ISO image. ISO image is very important for this. Because of that ISO image, they have software means operating system files. They give support for these all the system, and this system is simply go to Google and search uh, developer dot redhat.com. Developer.redhat.com. They have official website of Red Hat. They consume very lots of things in this website. Second website. This is a Red Hat developer website. Here we can see lots of things: Java, uh, Kubernetes, Linux, DevOps. In that we will find for Linux. So therefore we will go in Linux. Hmm. That is relate. Now version of Red Hat Enterprise. Relate version is means recently launched Relate version, but we will use Rail 7 version. So that's download hell. Here we will see all the downloads. That means here we will see version 8.4.0. Release date we can see 18 May 2021. But we want a RHEL 7.9 version 7.90. This version is here 11 August 2020. DVD ISO image 4 GB. That image contains all the things. Means we want to perform VMware workstation and all of this. So we can simply click this link, and here they will ask for Red Hat account. That means Red Hat account, they developers. So simply next. Here we will see Red Hat login ID means email ID and password. So simply login. This will take some time. We will log in. So therefore we can easily download this. Here left hand side we can see the image is automatically downloaded. That is not image, that is a big file, that means 4 GB file. But in software they can ISO image, we say that ISO image. uh, Stop this ISO image, pause. Now we will go for VMware workstation. Here workstation is present. Here workstation, we'll open workstation. There I have create a new virtual machine, open virtual machine, connect to a remote server or connect to VMware cloudware. So therefore we are new now. So therefore here left hand side here server and client is my created machines. So here your side left hand side is blank. So I want to create new machine. Simply gives the information which he want. Typical recommendation typical. Next, no drives are available. This disk ISO image, installer disk ISO image. We can insert a letter also. Letter means in installation of machines. I will install the operating system letter. Next, which operating system? Linux operating system RHEL 7. That means RHEL means Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 64-bit. Next, here we will give my virtual machine name. Whenever we want some my set name, Red Hat, simply Red Hat, and that is location. Location means where to save this all this virtual machine and things. Next, minimum disk size GB means, oh, we want to give suppose your PC or laptop is free means more space is available, so you can give 20 also, but 10 is okay. 10 simply I will make it 10. Split virtual machine into multiple files means store we can say we split virtual machine into, that means new things. Whenever we create new things, then we occupy the disk, otherwise we will not occupy the disk. Next, here the all information we are selected: name red hat, location, version 11.0, operating system, hard disk 10 GB. We have provided a memory, 2 memory means RAM, 2 GB RAM give to the this machine. Network adapter NAT. Finish. Here we can say our third machine is created. Third machine is simply my server and client is old machines, and we create new machine Red Hat. Hello, now we will create open one machine, my machine client machine. Power on this virtual machine. It simply power on. It will take some time, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So that's the thing. That all things, so you can create or install a virtual machine on this laptop or PC. We will run full screen mode. Full screen mode. It takes some time. Exit full screen mode. That load all the things. Here we can see here my created users is a normal user, and when we will log in system user, then not listed, and give system username. The we can proceed by root. Next, root password. Whenever when we create this machine, we will set root password. This password is granted here. Sign in. It will use desktop, means uh, desktop of a Linux machine means software. We will fully enter in Linux software. Hmm. Here we see home directory, trash file, or we ISO image is inserted. There this is shown here. Here simply we give an application, system tools, and below terminal. Simply open this terminal. Timeout clear. Simply clear. In other way, we goes here also right click and open terminal. This also gives the shell for this user. So that's all the things. Now we can exit the full screen mode. Power power off. Power of the machine. Power off. The will gives power off. Close this and close virtual machine. VMware workstation. That's all the things we have discussed today. So tomorrow we will take a new session, means basic commands in Linux, and in how to operate a shell, how to create terminal, and use all the things. So thank you for today. We will see tomorrow.